He was 22, healthy, normal life, just a small cough. Everyone said, "Change of weather, it's nothing." So he ignored it. That was the first mistake. Days turned into weeks. The cough didn't stop. Then came the fever, mostly at night. He started losing weight. His clothes felt loose, but he felt fine. So he did what most people do: syrups, home remedies, self medication. Still, no hospital. Because it didn't feel serious. One night he coughed and saw blood. That's when fear finally entered. Not slowly, all at once. It wasn't just a cough, it was tuberculosis, a bacterial infection that spreads through air, slowly damaging the lungs if ignored. And the scariest part? It doesn't shout, it whispers until it becomes dangerous. If a cough lasts more than 2 weeks, don't ignore it. Persistent cough, evening fever, night sweats, weight loss, weakness, sometimes blood in cough. Your body is not adjusting, it might be warning you. Here's what most people fear wrongly: TB means life is over. No, TB is completely curable if detected early, and in India, treatment is available free of cost under government programs. But delay is what makes it dangerous. He didn't lose his life to TB, he almost lost it to delay, fear, and ignorance. So, next time you say, "It's just a cough," ask yourself one thing: or is my body asking for help that I am ignoring? Have you or someone you know ever ignored a symptom thinking it was nothing until it became serious?